Good morning, beautiful people. This is the vlog for day 4 and day 5 in Moscow. Mostly because after shoot I was quite tired and got up really late the next day. And this is me getting ready in the morning. I always wear my leggings first and then overlap my socks with that so that it becomes easier for me to wear jeans and I can stay packed the entire day. Can't stress enough on the fact how useful this fanny pack has been the entire trip. Hey guys, today I got up a little late because I really wanted to rest. इतना दिन travel करने के बाद थोड़ा rest तो चाहिए था. But now today I'm going to Arbat Street. Last time जब गई थी तो रात को गई थी 1 बजे और सब कुछ बंद था तो I want to go there and be able to see the shops and everything during the day. Abhi I'll go have some lunch and then I'll head to Arbat Street and I will keep you guys posted. I'm trying my best to film whatever I can. It's just so much is happening and my iPhone is low on storage. I did buy iCloud space but upload ही नहीं हो रही है photos यार and videos. I think because it's 4K. Cute makeup for today and ठीक है, I'll see you.
Actor here, sir.
So she's a beautiful. I want to introduce a beautiful girl from Russia who's an Indian lover. What's her name?
Anna.
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 Like in India. What do you like?
In
about
India, people.
People you like. Okay.
People,
Where
people.
you have been in India?
I have been to New Delhi, Agra, Kolkata, Darjeeling, and Gangtok.
Oh, nice.
Like, what
Even I
about
have not been to all
how do
those
you manage
places.
to, reach the food over there?
You know what's my favorite? These very tasty balls, orange ones. This Bhima from Mahabharata, he likes to eat it.
Oh, laddu.
Laddu. Oh my God,
That
yes.
bundi
I
laddu.
can eat the whole plate.
That
The
is
whole
Chota.
plate.
That is laddu
Yes.
for Chota Bheem.
Choda mein.
Chota
Oh.
Bheem,
She's
yeah.
fan of Chota Bheem also.
Yes,
And
and
what else you like in India?
And finally, you guys are meeting someone who can speak English in Russia.
And knows Indian
And
culture
yeah.
also.
And
After meeting Anna, we left for the Arbat Street and now we are heading towards the market. Look at this actor taking footage
obsessed.
all the time.
Yeah.
Paji and Shivayal are leaving for India in the evening today, so आज हम आए हैं shopping करने because they wanted to buy some souvenirs for their family. Russian dolls or the Matryoshka dolls are the most famous in Russia. These were designed in 1892. In 1900s, these were exposed to the International Expo in Paris. जिसके बाद इसकी production काफ़ी बढ़ गई थी and craftsmen started producing different kind of Matryoshka dolls. It is made by different dolls. The biggest doll is the mother and smallest is called the seed. Originally, the biggest doll represents a strong female matriarch who is the main symbol of Russian family. And the smaller dolls represent daughter and sons. For this reason, Matryoshka represents fertility and motherhood. Fabergé eggs are also very famous in Russia, जो Tsar Alexander III ने अपनी wife Maria के लिए बनवाए थे as an Easter gift. It was a one-time order, but the result was so pleasing that it was adopted as an annual tradition, which was then carried on by his son when he took the throne. How do I look, Jashoot? बताओ कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं? अच्छे लग रहे हो? What's this? इसमें मैं जिंदगी
It's a scarf and same. Okay, summer वाला. T-shirt है but we both kind of.
They say if you sit around a barber shop for long, you will eventually get a haircut, and that's exactly what happened. जब मैं ये paintings को निहार रही थी, I landed up getting a caricature made of myself, and that's me awkwardly posing for the artist. Once I was done with my sketch, we dropped off Paji and Shivail and I headed back to my hotel, and that was my day. Short and sweet. I would definitely miss both of them, but there's so much more to look forward to. Hi guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day in Russia and आज मैं थोड़ा आराम से उठी हूँ because from past few days I've been traveling so much. मैंने सोचा I'll get up a little late and just hang out around and go to some nice park and relax over there. So अभी मेरा breakfast चालू है and I have this very interesting way of making banana shake. I used to make it like that when I was a child, and abhi yahan pe because I don't have a grinder or like I didn't carry anything like that, so this is how I'm making my banana shake. Some protein and milk. This is the milk pack. Milk. Hi guys, I'm ready now and I'm gonna head for lunch after this. Moscow का weather बिल्कुल reliable नहीं है. कभी भी बारिश और कभी भी धूप हो सकती है. And it was so sunny in the morning. I was so happy, like I was chill, like I was gonna go to the park and enjoy. But it has started raining now. So I think अभी हम जाएंगे mall में. We'll have food and see how's the weather after that. And if it gets sunny after lunch, then we'll head to the park. Otherwise we'll see what to do. Today we are going to Sokoligi Park. I'm with my lovely friend Ruxana.
Hi.
She's an actor and आपने इनको देखा होगा टीवी पे. अभी पता नहीं देख पा रहे हो कि नहीं.
In Criminal Justice.
Yeah.
And Jai Mummy Di.
Today I'm trying out the lunch at this mall and there are so many options available, but मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि कौन सी चीज़ वेजिटेरियन है और कौन सी नॉन वेज. Somehow I'm trying to figure it out by asking people. So let's see what I end up having. So these were the dishes that are available. Salad है mostly and जब से आई हूँ सैलड ही खा रही हूँ. पर चलो ठीक है. आई थिंक एटलीस्ट इट्स हेल्दी. एंड पर यार मुझे थोड़ा अभी इंडियन खाने की याद आ रही है, बट इट्स ओके. सैलड खाते हैं. कभी कभी तो पता भी नहीं चलता है कि खाने में क्या है, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज़ रिटन इन रशियन एंड थैंक्स टू गूगल ट्रांसलेटर थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प हो जाती है. इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग, गूगल ट्रांसलेटर इज़ सच अ बून. आई वंडर मैं कैसे सर्वाइव करती हूँ, मेरे पास गूगल ट्रांसलेटर नहीं होता. So I got this meal for 75.67 rupees, which is not a lot. तो अभी हम खा रहे हैं ये बहुत ही अनोखे noodles, spaghetti. I don't know what this is. I can't pronounce this, but this is what the meal looks like. अब रिस्क लेते हैं और क्या. और ठंडा खाना है यार. ठंड में ठंडा खाना मत दो, गरम कर लो. चलो ठीक है. नान प्लीज. अच्छा. There are ovens which I just saw and you can heat these in ovens and the taste is decent. Like I like it. I mean I think I can survive on this. मैं बस सोच रही थी कि मीठा ना हो, और मीठा नहीं है. Thank God, it's nice. And मैं अब खाना गर्म करके आती हूँ. Ruxana is also coming with her non-veg food option. For non-vegetarians, this place is like heaven. There are so many non-vegetarian options. But yeah, also when I'm making them understand that I am a vegetarian, उनको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. So I always say that no dead animals in the food. So I always say that no dead animals in the food. और फिर जाके उनको समझ आता है कि मुझे वेजिटेरियन चाहिए. I don't know यहाँ पे वेजिटेरियन को क्या बोलते हैं. Even Google is not able to translate it. So I'll just go and eat this and start eating. We're done with having lunch and अब हम जा रहे हैं सोकोलनिकी पार्क. सोकोलनिकी पार्क वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस ही है, so I think we'll walk. और बाहर धूप हो गई है. The weather is so unpredictable, but चलो. The sky is blue. I don't know if you can tell. And can you imagine it was raining a while ago? That's so crazy. So guys, we finally found the park and बहुत ठंड है, as you can tell. Now I'm going to enter the park and it's a huge park. There's so many trees, all fall colors. I think I'm going to enjoy this. Ruxana, looking so pretty.
Enjoying myself in Sokolniky Park. Possible. It's so beautiful. We are that height. This is really giant.
Sokolniky is a very huge park और इसी में अंदर एक amusement park भी है, which I have entered now. And I'm super excited to go on the rides. I'm such a baby. But it's gonna be fun. So hot. सूरज देवता इतने टाइम बाद दिखाई दिए. थैंक यू. So we're sitting in the Ferris wheel. काफ़ी स्लो है, मुझे लगा था फास्ट होगी. No complaining, it's nice. I'm having fun. The view is right. पूरे पार्क का व्यू ऊपर से दिखाई देगा. And the sun is finally here. I've been missing sun for so many days. I'll show you the view. Church in the background is near our hotel and हम एक बार रात को भी इसके आसपास आए थे, but we were not able to enter. So now we are entering this church. It looks very beautiful. Let's see how it is from the inside. So I'm just coming out from the church. वहाँ पे recording allowed नहीं थी, so I could not show you guys how beautiful it was. But I think it's one of the most beautiful churches that I have seen, and it was pretty huge and beautiful use of colors like brown, gold and red. So totally loved it. Now I'm heading back to my hotel and I think I'll just take rest so that I'm rejuvenated for traveling more tomorrow. I think I'll end today's vlog here. This was my day in Russia. I hope you all enjoyed.